My boyfriend loves Ghostbusters and my best friend loves Coraline, so I decided to make some art for them. But I'm not just gonna print it out and hand them the paper and call it a day. Because if it's worth doing right. So let's make some proper picture frames for them. First, we're gonna set up one picture frame so we can use hot glue and gravity to create some ectoplasm pouring out of it. We're just gonna let it trickle down. Similar to how President Ronald Reagan said economics would work, but as we've come to find out, that was a lie. Anyway, it's important that we keep the glass pane in place so that the glue doesn't get underneath, where it will keep you from reinserting the glass later. And we'll want to do multiple layers, letting it cool a bit between each one. With that cooling off, let's work on the Coraline frame. We want to arrange our buttons in a way that looks good before gluing them down. Once we're happy with our arrangement, let's use a bit of E6000 to keep these buttons in place. Much like how wealthy CEOs and politicians keep us in our place by making sure we stay too tired, poor, and busy to finally come together and tear down their system of oppression. Anyway, we'll want to do this for all the buttons. Now back to the Ghostbusters frame. We're going to gently push the glass up and let it peel away from the hot glue. And of course, the time has come to spray paint them black. Just like the hearts of the billionaires that hoard all the wealth instead of using it to make the world a better place. I'm sorry, guys, I am clearly in a mood today. Enjoy this artwork of a guillotine for no particular reason. And yes, this was filmed around 4 p.m. Gotta love those short winter days. Now using the glass pane from the frames and a pen, we're just gonna mark where we need to cut these out. Now we can assemble the Coraline picture. But we still need to turn the ectoplasm on the Ghostbusters frame green, so we're gonna add a few coats of neon green paint. And with the paint dried, it's time to assemble this one. And here we have it, the custom Coraline and Ghostbusters wall art. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and a comment, as it's a big help with the YouTube algorithm. And speaking of big help, I want to give a big thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping support me and my projects. Patreon supporters get early access to videos as well as various bonus content, including extended rough cuts of projects like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my creepy comrades, in another video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and eat the rich!